Got an older Subaru Outback. Let's see what we got going on. Got a flashing check engine light and then a pretty obvious misfire. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that thing's running bad. Get the all tail hooked up here. Scan shows got a P0301, cylinder 1, misfire detected. This thing's older. We still got plug wires and a coil pack going on here. Looking for any kind of obvious, you know, arcing. You know, I don't really see anything obvious on this boot. Got my spark tester hooked up right here, just gonna confirm spark. And yeah, we got no sparky. So I wanted to rule the plug wire out, and so I took the plug wire off, and we've got a spark with it just on the coil. So I'm gonna switch, what is this, 1 and 3 spark plug wires, and see if my misfire moves. Oh yeah, we got a whole lightning storm in there. That's pretty cool. Now when I switched those wires, the misfire, it got worse, and it followed that plug wire, but cylinder 1 was still missing. So I'm gonna check the strength of my spark on cylinder 1 here out of this coil. Now you can see I got spark, but look, it will not jump a gap at all. So we got a weak coil and a bad set of plug wires. Just for educational purposes, I want to show you what it should look like. See that nice blue arc there, and that sucker will jump. That's what good spark looks like. Obviously no misfire diagnostic would be complete without checking the plugs, and this is the one that was missing. You can see it's pretty fuel fouled from missing. You know, that injector's still firing on that thing, and it's fouling that plug out, but probably clean up good. These things don't look worn out. It's got NGKs in it. Probably just put a set of plug wires and a coil on this thing. Leave the plugs alone. She's fixed. Got a good running little 4-cylinder again. Thanks for watching my diagnostic, and follow for more.